So my 7-year-old daughter saw the trailer for The Woman in the Yard and goes, I want to watch that. I need to know who the woman in the yard is. And I said, no, you don't. But hey, she insisted, so I showed her the trailer, and 2 minutes later, she was shaking her head. Nope, never mind. That trailer looked terrifying, she said. The actual movie? Not so much. Instead of a horror thriller the marketing promised, this is a deep, heavy story about grief, guilt, and mental illness. We watch a mother crumble under the weight of loss while her 2 kids do everything they can to hold things together. And then there's the woman in the yard, a silent, unsettling presence who may or may not be real. She lurks, she watches, she controls shadows. Is she the villain, or is she something that way more terrifying? Now, this movie runs about an hour and 28 minutes, but I swear it feels twice as long. Not because it's, well, because it is bad, but because you're stuck in the woman's unraveling mind. And honestly, that's the scariest part, watching someone lose their grip on reality, knowing there's no escape. No jump scare can be that kind of horror, right? Here's the problem. It doesn't stick the landing. There's a lot of build-up, some truly unsettling moments, but when it's time for the big payoff, it stumbles hard. The ending is messy, the logic falls apart, and what could have been a truly haunting story turns into, wait, was that it? Kind of moment. And here's where I have to shout out Jacob's Ladder, the 1990 version. Now, that movie knew how to blend psychological horror with emotional weight. It pulled you in, it messed with your mind, and left you thinking. Another similar film is The Babadook. The Woman in the Yard wants to do that, but to me, it never quite figures out how. And viewers approaching this with an expectation of traditional horror may not find it satisfying at all. And those seeking a meditation on grief and psychological distress may perceive some value, though coherence remains in question. What do you think? Was The Woman in the Yard a hidden gem or just a missed opportunity? I would love to hear your thoughts. So I appreciate you going on this film journey with me, and as always, be real.
Hey, Mom, there's a woman in the yard.